Hey y'all, it's your girl Lavina, and today y'all know I'm taking y'all with me to go make this shmoney. We're going to do some DoorDashing today. It is Tuesday. It's the first of the month, so hopefully, you know, it's like back in the day when people used to spend that shmoney on the first. Everybody was getting paid on the first, baby. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go to our spot up there by the BJ's, and then I will see you guys when we get there. Bye. Hey y'all, we've been sitting up here by BJ's for about 10 minutes. I was doing some editing, trying to get my video out from yesterday to you all, but we did get a BJ's order. So we have a pickup only, you guys. It's $11 for 5 miles, okay, you guys? So we're gonna run in BJ's, pick up this order, and then we're gonna drop it off. Let's go. This is a trip. Guess where I'm taking this order? To my old that meal prep company I used to work for. Lord Jesus. Okay, let's go. Y'all, I haven't seen them, but we left on good terms. You know what I mean? I just couldn't spend. I didn't share this with y'all, but I just felt like I couldn't, all the work I was doing, I couldn't spend the majority of my day, half of my day, working there. Then couldn't do nothing else, because even, you know, working there for 5 or 6 hours a day, honey, on my feet all them hours. Even though I know some people work 8 hours, but for that money, then you know what I mean, my side hustles, I wasn't hustling. I want to go home, because then this other stuff, the traffic and all that, 5 or 6 hours there, then all the traffic, like I ain't had time. My bills was stacking up. I had to go. I'm like, no. And then bills was coming up, and I'm here, and I know I can go ahead and hustle up on some money real quick. Yeah, I made that executive decision. I had to part ways, honey. I didn't share that with y'all though, but now you know. All right, we waiting on their order. I'm just gonna go in there with the niceties. Hey, you know what I mean? Hey, and give them they, you know, ish, and bye bye. But they did tell me I always got a job with them if I want one and something. No, thank you. I mean, if I'm in dire need or and stuff like that, then maybe. But you know, dedicating my whole day, you know what I mean, between getting there in traffic, working there, and then coming back. No, I'm good, y'all. Okay. Yep, this is the stuff we used to get, y'all. Here go they order. Okay, you guys, we all loaded up, and they got quite a few items. So let's get to it. Okay, y'all, we here. Let's go see the old co-workers and the old boss. Okay, y'all, I had pulled around the corner so I can tell y'all. It was a good conversation. He still want to know why I left, and you know, if I ever need some extra money, I can work for him. I told him if he ever in a deep bind, yeah, you know what I mean, I come up there for a couple of hours or something to help him out. But me being there, especially with that head chef Edwin and his attitude, no thank you. But it was a good conversation. We talked for about 15-20 minutes. Goodness, I had to cut my dang on DoorDash thing. I had to confirm the order. I got to run in my mouth. But okay, y'all, let's go and see if we can make some more money. Hey y'all, when we was leaving Henry's, my old job, the BJ's order, we got an order to Walgreens for what was it, $8 for 4 miles or something like that, only for a bottle of foundation for Roy. Okay. We're going to get Roy's foundation. Let's go. got it, y'all. Let's go to checkout. That was a real smooth, quick shop order. So let's go ahead and to Roy's house and get him his foundation. All right, y'all. Thank you for your business. Okay, y'all, we dropped out off Roy his order. Now let's head back. We have done 2 so far together. We got 3 more to go. So let's head back and hopefully we get something on the way back from out here in Muscati, Florida. Hey y'all, so we on the way back from, I think it was Roy house. I don't know, y'all. Well, on the way back, you guys, we got a $10.75 2-item shop only pet supermarket order. So we have to shop for 2 canisters of fish food. Let's go in here and take care of that. Bye. Hey y'all, now we have our 3rd order of today. Hey y'all, we just got a good order, you guys. $10.75 going 2 miles. We're at Pet Supermarket. We're going to be shopping for 2 canisters of fish food. Okay, I'll tell y'all their name when we come back. I forgot the name. Okay, all right, let's go in here and take care of these fish first. Let's go. Dang, went the wrong way. Hi, where's your fish food at?
I'm sorry?
Fish food?
Fish food is going to be all the way towards the left of the store where the blue wall is.
Okay, thank you. I'm vlogging. I'm trying not to get you. Look, y'all. Look at the hamsters. Y'all see? Oh, what is that? A rabbit? Y'all see him? Y'all see the birds? Hi. Hello. All right, y'all, let me try to find this fish food. What is that? I don't know what kind of fish is that in there, honey. I see the tail though. What that is? Is that a little fish, that little bitty thing? Y'all probably can't even see it. Oh, pretty, y'all. Nemo. We got the goods, y'all. Y'all, so I ran out of storage again. I'm gonna have to do something now that I'm doing my DoorDash vlogs. I want to invest in me a camera. I want to save one day. Hopefully I can get a camera or another phone or something. But I hope you guys enjoy the pictures. Well, not the pictures, the videos of the fish. Okay, so we have 7 minutes to Joyce to take her no, Jessica, not Joyce. Jessica's her fish food. Let's go. Okay, y'all, we are Jessica's house. I've been here before. They have like a little little pond or whatever you call it by their front door. Let's go check it out, you guys. Thank you for your business. Okay, y'all, we dropped off Jessica's order. So let's go. I think we probably gonna go by Target. I'm not sure. It's still lunch. We might get something on the way up there. I kind of want to go to BJ's again, though, because it's the first of the month. So we'll see. But anyway, go. We then dropped off Jessica's order, and we out of here. Hey, y'all, we got our 4th order together, okay? We got $5.25 at Mickey D's. Going 1 mile. Hey, no, but I had to take it. You know what I mean? Let's just knock it out. All right, y'all, let's go up in here. We got the food, y'all. All right, you guys, we got 5-minute drive to Jenny house. Okay, let's get it. Okay, y'all, we at Jenny's house. Well, we at Jenny's apartment building. Jenny didn't leave a gate code. Jenny didn't leave a building number, okay? All right, Miss Jenny, and any other DoorDash customers, if you live in an apartment, please leave your gate code. Please leave your building code, okay? All right, let's go up here and take Jenny her food. Jenny, I hope you see this. Okay, let me take you your food, though. I found you. Thank you for your business. Okay, y'all, we got one more to do together. So I'm excited. Seems like I'm getting a little tired, but I need to snap out of it because this is supposed to be one of my long days. Jaden doesn't have, what is that? Oh, wow. Hold on. We got our last order together at Culvers for $6.75 for 2 miles, you guys. Culvers, I don't know. We're going to see. It's really a toss-up. I always have to wait here, you guys. Let's just see. But I'm not going to rush. You know what I mean? I want them to hurry up. But we will see. I'm going to wait, though, because it's a good little order, okay? All right, see y'all in there. We got the order, y'all. Okay, we got Abel's order from Culvers. If you like some juicy fatty burgers, y'all love Culvers. They good, but I can't eat them like that. They specialize in like them cheese curds and butter burgers and stuff like that. But yeah, y'all, while we was in there, we got an additional add-on for Bob Evans, going 2 miles for $5. So you know we accepted it, okay? Making this a $10 batch. No, $11 pickup. All right, let's go to Bob Evans. See y'all there. Okay, y'all, I'm having a good feeling. I told y'all it was, July 1st? Oh, my baby birthday coming up on the 8th. She'll be 31. Yes. So let's go on and get Jacqueline order. And shout out to my subscriber, Miss Jacqueline. Hey. Okay, y'all, let's go on in here. I bet they sell candy and everything, honey. Kids gonna be big and they come here. Look at all these good candies. Popsicles. Look at these. Oh. Who is that? Happy 3 Mints. Check him out. Y'all know who he is? We got the goods, y'all. Okay, y'all, we got 7 minutes to Abel house, and he had the Culvers order. So let's go. Okay, y'all, we here at this office, the apartment office. Maybe he's an employee inside, but anyway, it's not handed to me. It's not a meet and greet. I'm gonna leave it right there on that bench for Abel. So you guys, I don't remember if I even told y'all what my goal was for today. My goal for today is $100. I'm sorry. My goal for today is $100. So let's go take Abel his food. Thank you for your business. Okay, y'all, we got 5 minutes to Jacqueline house. Let's go. Okay, y'all, we made it to Jacqueline's house. Let's go take her food. Thank you for your business. Okay, y'all, we did 5 deliveries together, and I'm gonna do the rest by myself. So let's hope we make our goal. I'm pretty sure we really being steady with the orders right now. So I'm really confident that we will make our goal. I might go home and eat and take a nap and something and come out for dinner or whatever. But whenever I'm done, I will let you guys know. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And not like I said, I'll be back to let y'all know if we made that shmoney and how much we even made. We already made some shmoney, but I'm gonna let y'all know how much when it's all. Hey y'all, I'm back, y'all. Yeah, I'm going home at dark time, but you know I had to do the split shift. So did we make quota today? We definitely did, you guys. And I pushed myself and I stretched myself. You know what I mean? I applied some pressure today. And yes, we did. We didn't only make $100, you guys. We made $164.88. Okay, thank y'all so much for riding with me. Your girl tired now, honey. I'm hungry and tired. And that's exactly what I'm about to do. Head on to the house and lay it down. Okay? Tomorrow, since I made extra today, I don't know. I'm probably just going to do another split shift tomorrow. Okay, you guys? So I'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all so much for all the support. See you guys later. Bye.